Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add window resizer to your Chrome. So here, what is window resizer? You can enable window resizer by add this extension into your Google Chrome. Let's try to add to Chrome first. You can add this extension for free. And thank you for installing window resizer and so on. And this is the features that provide by window resizer. This is the extension resize the browser window in order to emulate various resolution. So it is particularly useful for web designer and developer by helping them to test their layout on different browser resolution. So here with over 700,000 users, window resizer is the most popular extension dedicated to helping you test your responsive websites. So this is the feature: custom preset, rotate tool, keyboard friendly. You can read all of it, you can learn all of it. And this is the window resizer. Access requested, and now click. So this is toggle sidebar. By clicking this option you can toggle this. Click OK. Let's do it. Let's try this iPad. This is the resolution, and let's try another one, the iPhone 5. Chrome couldn't apply, so sorry. And this is for the laptop, desktop, and this is my native resolution, and so on. So this is the current resolution, and even you can manually add the resolution here, and just simply click this. And this is the settings. You can change the icon style and so on. Feel free to try it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.